Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 BMW X6 35 xDrive. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a inline-six 3-liter twin turbo with 300 horsepower and 300 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch alloy wheels, running boards, tan leather interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, BMW X6 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, hard keys for the radio, sports and comfort mode, emergency brake, some more hard keys for the media display, automatic transmission. This X6 has 96,074 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X6 35i xDrive, visit us at feldmannimports.com.